Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now, you can save £50 per person. That's £200 off for a family of 4.
But right now,
we have arrived at the airport. Look, we made it. Hair just looks a little crazy. We made it. We're in Bali. Y'all, we made it. Barely. Bali. Okay, guys. We're here. Let's see what it looks like. Some wings, and I put some rice and some sambal on the side. Ooh. Okay, let's try it. Okay guys, off to villa number 2. Welcome to Indonesia. Thank you. Welcome to Indonesia.
Doesn't make sense now. Shit just got real, things are getting intense now. I hear you talking about we a lot, oh you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the thing right now. You say, do I wanna watch you, do I know what time it is right now?
This is what they say, pull it up, dubs on the Cadillac, white tees, Nikes, gangsters don't know how to act, atmosphere, big head, college park, harbor home, hummus smoking homegrown, choking on that homegrown, they pop their southern cooking, they got the Dallas looking, thinking I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no, Shawty can't handle this, never got that fire like, round here we all my ladies to the front, handle it, baby, bag it up, hitting crunk off in the public.
Thank you.
Ready, take a new whip, main strip into a bowling ball, still smoke, money smoke, wood break on the wall, ice skip, big chase, fellas call them red bone, close cuts, braids long, gangsters, they pop their southern cooking, they got them fellas looking, pushing, I was easy, I can see it, that's when I say no, Shawty can't handle this, ever got that body like, round here we ride slow, keep it good, you should know, getting crunk off in the hub, it gets low,
yeah, there's some shisha. Hi. Okay guys, so we're going to Aaliyah's spot.
Don't hit. It's not my spot because I didn't figure out which happened to fumble upon it.
But we was actually trying to go to Luna. Whole time that's not even the Luna that they showed me on TikTok. That ain't Luna. We're back. We decided this is where we're gonna snack. Trying something new. Sparkling water. Thank you. Yum, yum. Eat 'em up. Yum, yum. Eat 'em up. Thank you. Okay guys, we came to get some shisha. Who told us to come get some shisha? No shade, Villa. No shade.
I saw that online, like a lot of things.
But that's crazy, like. First pool. Good taste. Thank you.
Throwing dirt on my old name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on the pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick, I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desire. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it, I don't wanna fight. You know I'm a rider, nothing left to hide, no other nigga.
Thank you.
You're such a fucking hoe. When the first time it happened, I'm a sick fuck, I like a quick fuck. I'm a
It is officially day 2 in Bali. I just picked my bags. I gotta leave in the morning. We're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna take some pictures. We're gonna go get some breakfast. Maybe some acai. Okay, y'all. So I am about to do my makeup. I've always wanted to capture my vacay makeup and vacay glam. So why not do it while I'm in Bali? I went to Colombia last year for my birthday on a solo trip, and I pretty much tried my best to vlog, but that didn't turn out the way I expected it to. I even recorded a video of my glam, but times were hard, and I had to delete that video because I needed more storage. And maybe the video was mid anyway, so now I got a DJI, I got an Osmo. Okay, rate this outfit on a scale of 1 to 10. Not styled, just a little cute play suit. This is from Outcast. This is a little jumper. You know, Bali is hot. Don't play when you come here. It's March, end of like rainy season, and like the weather has just like picked up. And I was so nervous we were gonna like experience rain. First day we got here, it was raining a bit. Let me get started on this glam. First things first is you prime, which I already did. Well, make sure your face is clean. So I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I use NARS. This is their Razor Creamy Concealer. I think they have something that's a little bit more coverage, which I could have gotten, but I love this one. I'm in color Amanda, kind of like my name, so I always remember it. like, it has all the letters of my name, but it's mixed up in the wrong order. And this is a medium D3, and I believe it's a neutral color. I'm gonna go downstairs. I'm gonna have her laminate my eyebrows. Be right back. I'll show you guys. Thank God that she brought that, because I had nothing to slip these bad boys down. I am sampling this Fenty tinted moisturizer in the color 8. I think this one's 8. Got it from Sephora. Yeah, Fenty Skin Hydra Visor, and it's bomb. So I'm about to put that on and I'll show you guys. This was so weird. I'm gonna go under the eye, and then I'm gonna go right here, just to like snatch the eye. Do you guys see how like it matches my skin so well? So well. I've been concealing my nose. I don't know, maybe I'm over that part of my life. When I do this makeup, I feel like I can't tell that I'm wearing makeup, but maybe the rest of the world can. I'm gonna let this sit for a little bit. Boom. Okay. Here's just some dimensions. Make me gag a little bit. Cover girl. Don't go breaking into your bank to get some makeup. I just bought a new one because I literally finished the other one. And I only use something if it's good, right? Yes, I only use something if it's good. This color is so pretty, so pretty, so effortless. Makeup's done. Okay, I had this whole outfit planned, right? These earrings. Granny ain't no crumb. This is all the gold I got. Anklet in color 17, molasses. Fenty sponsor me. Ubud sponsor me. Because girl, I love you. Half of my bag is Fenty, half of my bag is NARS. So y'all give me a call, alright? Thank you. I'll be waiting. Glazed donut. I think this is fortune cookie. Fortune cookie by Nick. Y'all know. I'm gonna do the hair now, guys.
For the haters, you know where you could kiss it, because you don't pay my bills. And I'm the baddest bitch.
All right, hair time. I need some hairspray. Okay, is it a crime? He playing the bobs. Can you turn up the radio, please? Thank you. Right now we're heading to Kind to go get some brunch. And then after that, we're gonna head to the beach and then chill, vibe out there, get some pictures. Before that, yeah.
I said, I think she said there's pictures if you scan it. Oh. That's how you go, right? Very tropical. Like she had babies too. Got the apple, turmeric, and ginger. Delish. Kombucha. I don't know what nuts it is. It's not nuts. Why do you think it's something else? I don't know what it is. It's called granola because all granola has nuts in it. We have to document that it's raining too, guys. Like, Bali isn't all sunshine and rainbows. Made it through. We made it on the other side. That is so cute. Yes, we have so many places to take cute pictures now.
I get the money pass your papa. Wait till you want way I know feel do for you. Why you want the book and more? Share your big keys down their knee. You better drop your body and more. So free with this body.
Okay, we got this to eat, guys. That immunity drink from Taco Island. This is cute. This is cute. We got the mango sauce, the red chili sauce, which I think I like. And then we got the pineapple. He recommended this one. He said this is his favorite. And then it comes with the green sauce rice, and then this burrito, so it comes with the dipping sauce. They have its own temple.
Coconut leaf, put some flowers, do offering for my God.
Oh, for your gods?
Yes.
You do it every day.
Yes.
Hi! How are you guys?
Y'all to blame for what we could have been, cause look at what we are. Your friends are scared to tell you you went too far. Funny that it's always been all about you from the start. I met someone who
Okay guys, so we got our dresses on. We both decided on these colors and we're gonna stick with them. That's the not changing. Period. Okay.
going back there tonight, and you know what's on my mind. So out of body, that's just how I feel when I'm around you, shorty. Last night we didn't stay it, but girl, we both thought it. Why second guess I should've stayed? You say the word, I'm on the way. This shit feels like teenage fever. I'm not scared of it, ain't either. I second guess I should've stayed. Cause you know what's on my mind, so
Thank you. What's your name?
Good day.
Good day.
Not good night.
Happy birthday, Manda! Made candy ya from Ubud rice terrace. Red, sticky, white,
and black.
black. 4 type of rice.
We would love to help you.
Yeah.
Maui. Maui. On to the next place, guys. Okay, y'all. Put the hood on. The hood. It's time to go. Ooh, look at those little cute dresses. Those are cute. She gave me this. She gave me another dress for 100. Who made it? You? You make this?
Yes, I do.
No.
I will show you.
Show me.
Well, let me see here.
She did do it herself. Oh, that's cute.
Thank you.
Very pretty. I can't decide which dress to take. I already have something blue. I think I want this one. Alright guys, so it's this one, this dress. Outfit change, it got a little too hot. I had to switch it up. Girl over here, what's your name? Hi. Omang? Komang.
Yeah, the first is Wayan or Putu.
Uh-huh.
The second is Made or Kade.
Made Okade.
Yeah.
Putu, Made Okade.
And Komang.
Komang,
the third.
3.
Yes, and Nyoman.
Yoman, 4.
Yes. No, Nyoman, the
Third 2?
Go is Putu.
Hey. So come visit my girl in Ubud. We're in Ubud right now. She's selling us some fire clothes. She's complimenting us very much. She says that, what she said about us? Beautiful body, big bum, body perfect. Sama.
bitch, I double the bed. I'm in the stretch, from south to the west. Where's the best? Get home in a check. He done fucked up, put some dough on his head. Kept me knocked down, left the nut on the leg. Run this cash out like a motherfucking tread. Yeah.
We're on the horses. My horse got an attitude or something. Cause why is it walking like this? My horse is bad, guys.
You better not be frisky next to me. I'm not your mate. Are you hearing me? I have zero tolerance for nonsense.
Y'all see, they boy frisky. He won't listen. He won't fight. Hey, papi. Okay, guys, I have stopped vlogging after we went to Seminyax Beach because I was just over it. But now I'm back in it. I got ready again. Did my hair again. Yeah, I'm happy. I was not happy earlier. But now I'm happy. It doesn't sound like it, but my heart is smiling. Maybe not my face. We're about to go to Finn's Beach Club. The best beach club in the world is what people call this beach club. So we're about to see what's all this hype about. Is it really the best beach club in the world? Stay tuned. I dropped my cameras, both cameras, but my Osmo is doing just fine. My digital, ooh, she is looking like it's her last breath. World's best or greatest beach club or some something like that. Anything?
I don't drink alcohol.
I don't drink either. Mojito, the Persian one. Yeah, you can give me that. Okay. Is it raining? No, it's raining. To the bar, guys, because it started to pour. Oh, they're playing our music. That's what's up. Day it is. We're about to get ready. We packed our bags. We're leaving the second villa to head to our third in Kuta. And yeah, Stay tuned. Look at all the fresh fruit, guys. I want the big coconut.
Oh yes.
Is that coconut water?
Yes, inside the whole coconut. Fresh young coconut.
Fresh young coconut.
Okay.
Okay.
Pickle trail and Rex Gogo. One of them is the most.
Ooh la la! We made it outside today. Guys, we were burning up. We have to go inside. It's hot. It's hot. It's hot. Yeah. It's hot. Let's. Ooh, does she fit? Guys, we just ordered our food, so we should be expecting it soon. Okay guys, I got 3 things to try at this Avocado Factory because I couldn't decide, like, how am I gonna know what I want? So I got this cute little acai bowl that has these, like, I think these are like lychee seeds that I've been trying here that I really like. They're like really sour, and y'all know how I feel about sour stuff. And then I got this, what else did I get? I got avocado toast. And then I got this pancake. I could not decide, so I got all 3. It's avocado pancake. Have you guys ever had avocado pancake? Avocado? What is that? We're gonna try everything now and rate it. The pancakes are amazing. Alrighty guys, so Leah and I separated for the first time. She went to go do her tattoo, and I am on my way to our 3rd villa because we check out today. We were supposed to check out at 11, but we stopped at Avocado something, and yeah, we just got done with that. There's a fly in the car. Yeah, I'm gonna go home, probably find an activity to do depending on which tattoo she gets. Oh, the sun is very draining here. Very, very tiring. Somebody probably didn't drive me. In traffic. Jam up right now. We're not even moving, sir. Hey, look at that black couple, y'all. I bet you they live here. Crazy. I could have taken a scooter to Kuta, I would have, but. Dropping, and I don't know what, but I don't really care either, as long as they don't drop on me. Drink poolside, thank you. We came to take pictures, but we also need to find somewhere to hide. Look how blue the water is down there. Look what we found, guys. Quick outfit change. Well, maybe you guys can see the other outfit, but back to the same old outfit. We came to see the monkeys, okay? We're scared just a little bit. I don't want them to steal nothing from me, because if they do, I'm gonna give them a fist. I'm gonna pinch a monkey if I have to. Don't play with me. So we're about to go in there. And we have to pay a ticket. We're in Uluwatu. I think I said this earlier, but we're in Uluwatu. There's a few places where you can see monkeys, but this is another place for the monkeys. In Ubud, up in the jungle, there's some monkeys, and down here by the shore, by the water, by the coast, there's some monkeys too. Oh, do we tie sarong? Ooh, I think we must tie sarong to go in there, but we'll see. Maybe if we're not covered properly. Do not feed monkey. 50 rupiahs. So we brought more money than we needed. Yeah, it's only 50. 50 each. So 100. They gonna grab them off my chest. Okay. You my guide.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait on a second. Why she wanna guide us? Protect it from monkey.
See, that's what she wanna guide us.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is Wayan.
Wayan?
And you?
Manda.
Aaliyah. Yeah, nice to meet you. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
After you have to pay for my job, yeah?
I have to pay you?
Yeah.
For taking me?
Yeah.
How much?
150 for two.
What about 100? Protection job. What are you doing?
Which one?
What's that?
Local guide, yeah.
Ah, is that you?
Yeah, because my son in water this morning. Okay, for 100, okay?
No.
Say 100.
Yes.
Yeah?
100?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's give it to her.
Yeah. Monkey see, monkey do.
Yeah, and Aaliyah see, Aaliyah do too. But we could have gone by ourselves for free.
Yeah,
We could. See, the people behind us, they don't have a guide.
What about them? What about
She said, you come with me.
What about them behind
All right, it's your job. We'll let you slide today. Next time, we'll go without you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You protecting me? I'm protecting you. It says do not enter. Can we enter?
Just the worship only.
Oh, okay. Nobody else good guy. We the only one with guide.
Where's their guys?
You said you're from America? Okay. Now she's sucking her teeth.
Tonight I'ma let you be the captain. Tonight I'ma let you do your thing, yeah. Tonight I'ma let you be a rider. Giddy up, giddy up, giddy up, babe. Tonight I'ma let it be fire. Tonight I'ma let you take me higher. Tonight, baby, we could get it on, yeah. We could get it on, yeah. Do you like it, boy? I want what you want.
Oh my God! What is that?
Boom, boom, boom. What I want is what you want, nah, nah.
Thank you. Good evening. Ooh, it smells good.
Aaliyah has left the villa.
Yeah, I need a locker.
Can you give something for guarantee? Do you have motorbike key or ID?
Hotel key card?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. looks yummy. Good thing you.
Trust in me. I can, you said I can trust in you.